Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about some channel updates, maybe with some content. Not a whole lot's been going on. We kind of been sitting around, although we did join a gym. I don't know if you noticed yet. And for those of you who don't know, I am raising my grandkids. I've had them for almost 16 years. So I am their kinship legal guardian. So I've been taking the youngest, who will be starting her senior year, to visit a lot of colleges. This is her dream school. It's a private school. It's very pricey, but she's considered an independent student, so she's getting a lot of aid. But I'm hoping that she can still afford this. And this was in the movie Annie, these steps. So anyway, we've been doing a lot of that. That's why we haven't been camping much. Now, as far as the channel goes, we did hit 200,000 views. Thank you so much. And we're I think at about 1,700 subscribers. So I think when we get to 2,000, maybe we'll do another giveaway with a t-shirt. So I want to talk about the channel and what's been going on with our channel, because we're making some changes. So this is the analogy I use for our channel. I feel like when we first started out, like I said, we didn't even have an inkling that we were going to do a channel. We were just going to shoot a couple videos so people could see the camper. And then when we went to Florida, we wound up getting about 7 tours in Florida. And I'm actually on tape in the Everglades saying, well, I didn't think I was going to tour other people's campers, but they seem like they want us to do it. So I wasn't planning on showing other people in their cargo trailer conversions. They seem happy to be put on YouTube. So when we run into them, maybe we'll be putting some of them on here. That was the first one we toured in the Everglades. And the tours are actually the most popular part of this channel, but that's not what we intended our channel to be. So I kind of feel like we got really lucky that we were blindfolded and stood backwards and threw a dart and it hit the bullseye with the tours. So we were brand new. We didn't know. We thought, wow, this is great. We're doing great. We're growing so fast. And then when we came home and we weren't camping that much, or when we were camping around here, we weren't getting tours. And our channel just started. Tried to get some online, and I've gotten some, advertised to get some, and we'll get them when we can. But that's not our primary focus. Was really just doing camping destinations and some tips, some of your Boy Scout stuff, and we've been throwing in some extra stuff. We've had like 3 videos about shooting. We're probably going to put a lot in about fishing, maybe bike riding. We like the outdoors, some of our outdoor adventures. We're going to try to be putting more of that in there. So let us know what you would like. I mean, if it's something that we're into that we could cover, then yeah, we would be happy to. We don't know unless we hear from you. If you don't like it, tell us. No. If you don't like it, maybe you're not comfortable telling us, hey, I don't like that video. But if you do really like something, then do the opposite. Say, hey, I'd love to see more of this kind of video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you so much. So some of the recent videos I did, it's kind of like storytelling. He's telling a story from his childhood with the hunting or something, and I'm putting it to B-roll, which is the footage in the background. And we did a handful of those type of videos. Or we could just do this sitting, talking, 2 of us on the screen. Maybe he hates it. He really hates it. It's like pulling teeth to get him to do this.
Too late. Somebody else did that.
Yeah, well, your teeth look good, but that's still the temporary set. We're having fun with the channel still. It's been a lot of work. I like to be transparent. I think we made $430 since March of 2021. So like I said, YouTubers don't make a lot of money from AdSense. Now, if I can market my affiliate marketing links better or get partnerships, then that could be a little different. But so I just want to let you know what we were making from the AdSense, which, like I said, is not a lot. Sometimes it's not really worth the effort that I put in. But I'm trying to ramp that up on the back end with affiliate marketing. So if you guys go onto our page, we have a lot of Amazon links there. If you buy anything from Amazon through our link, we get a little percentage. That all adds up. So that helps us out that way. We appreciate that. Oh, and our store link now is right on our homepage. It's right next to the community tab. If you click on store, you'll see our merchandise. And if you buy anything, it helps us out, so we certainly appreciate it. Help me send this kid to her dream school. She deserves it. I've been doing a lot of shorts. I try to keep the crazy ones on my other separate channel called Get Into Sharon Shorts, which my granddaughter told me it's an inappropriate name. I need to change it.
Leaves us not to be politically correct or any other kind of correct.
So, the ones that are focused more about the camping and the cargo camper, I put on the channel, and really it's trying to bring in more people because shorts go out to anybody, and then we could grow our audience, which is what we're trying to do. But again, seriously, we need your feedback. Our views are kind of, I don't know, sometimes I think they're way down and they're not coming up, and then I look at the analytics and there's a glimmer of hope, and I'm like, wow, I don't know what is going on. Like I said, the way we started out, throwing that backwards bullseye, it's hard to recover from that. We're not going to hit that backwards bullseye again. We didn't even attempt to do it. It was completely an accident. Now it's work. It's work getting this to where it's going. And by no means am I opposed to hard work, but I have a lot of other stokes in the fire. I have other YouTube channels. I have a blog. I'm on Pinterest. I need to spend my time wisely. So my goal for all of this is to have fun with it, but actually my goal is to be an entrepreneur and build a successful affiliate marketing business, and I'm going to use whatever platform gets me there. So I only have so much time. I need to put it into the right thing is what I'm saying. But you know, my video production and editing skills have all improved so much, so I'm going to continue to try to work on that stuff. So really, in the comments, let me know what you guys would like to see. But we're definitely going to still be doing our camping trips, any tours if we get them. If you know anyone that has a camper, a custom camper that wants to be toured, give them our email, ricksharon9@gmail.com. We'd be happy to put them on our channel. But again, we're going to be mixing up some content and doing a little bit of pivoting with some of the type of videos we're doing. So we'll get tours when we can. In the meantime, Patrick from New Jersey Outdoor Adventures. He's the one with all the tours, so I'll just send you over to his channel. Oh, guys, watch out. Oh, that Jersey Devil. And we have another first happening. We are going on our first boondocking camping trip next month. And this is Rick here working on that boondocking trip. You have to realize we can't boondock in New Jersey, so we don't have any experience with it. So he's researching it here. But we'd sure appreciate any tips you guys may have for us first-time Yankee boondockers. So watch for that video where Rick is researching the boondocking trick coming up soon. That's a wrap, everyone. You know what to do if you like this video.
You all come back now, you hear?